Hello all, welcome to BIANalyst. We would like to present BO analysis for MS Office Report Distributor. In short, we call it as BO Report Distributor tool. Are you a business analyst and would appreciate a tool that helps you to crunch large volume of spreadsheets along with the structured data to find the reason why your company's sales had slumped lately? If yes, then you can find your answer through BO Report Distributor. The Bow report distributor is successful in the market because of its key features like the configuration the reports can be accessed and shared easily, and the tool is very much user-friendly interface. It balances the functionality with simplicity. Majorly, it's easy to create the parameters reports based on the analysis for MS Excel, workbooks as Excel, PDF, CSV, and through mail. And it's also easy to change the existing parameterization and direct and seamless integration into SAP systems landscape. As this flowchart depicts the functionality of using with and without using the Report Distributed tool, the enterprises without the Report Distributed tool will have a manual task of refreshing up-to-date reports and a manual file creation and the printouts. And the dispatch mode like email and fax would be done manually, which is of time consumption. Where the enterprises with Boripur distributed tool, all this process can be automated with the up-to-date reports and the dispatch the reports to the any format through email by scheduling with the predefined time, which is mitigates your daily activities. Let us have a quick tour to show the business user on how to use the core feature of Bow Report Distributor to handle a typical business report. Now you will learn how to analyze, format, and create the report through Bow Report Distributor in a simple, easy steps. In the Bow Report Distributor Launchpad, click on the Setting dialog box and click on the SAP system in order to configure your SAP application server and system details. By this, you have successfully configured the SAP BW system. To create reports, under the workbook icon, click on the new, which will access to your previously defined BIVO analysis for Office workbooks. By clicking the variable section, you can parameterize by providing the input value. And here you can assign the including value, excluding value, both as single value as well as interval, depending on your variable definition. And now you can execute the report by clicking the run book. Based on the selected BOW report workbook, specific reports can be defined. The users can choose between different output formats, direct printout, MS Excel, PDF, or CSV. Each output format can be selected independently and in combinationally. So, what is the major benefit we find in the BOW report distributed tool out of its functionality? The report distribution, where you could automate the reports based on the BO analysis and SAP BI, and the report management, you can centralize the parameters of the current report and distribute in the central control tool, which is also opted for the current technology usable with BO analysis for Office, and the SAP BI integration, where you can access the BO report workbooks in the SAP BW system, and also possible to integrate the process chain. And dispatch control could be automated at the predefined time. And we can also maintain the history management. We can use the BO report distributor to print out or to save the historized documents. Other features we have in BOR report distribution. During the execution, BOR tool creates a log file of its action during reporting and distribution process. If necessary, we can also automate an email for the non-successful creation and distribution attempts. And also we can integrate the SAP BW process chain to get the updated data. And merging of several reports into single file up to the user specific workbook is also possible, and you can also retain your configuration during a software update. The BOR report distributor is successful in the market because of its time efficient and cost saving in the creation and distribution of the reports. And our customers is very much happy using the BOR report distributor, and they find it very much highly reliability, optimized report, less manual occupation, greater consumer satisfaction. To know more about the BOR report distributor, you can contact us on www.bianalyst.de.